In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find documents in Google Drive. First, open your web browser. If you are using Chrome, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You will see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a small grid of dots. Click on this icon to access a drop-down menu. This action is essential because it gives you quick access to all Google services, including Drive. Once you click the icon, you might see various Google apps like Gmail and Calendar. This is your gateway to finding your documents efficiently. Once that is done, click on the option labeled Drive from the menu that appears. This will redirect you to Google Drive. You may notice a familiar layout that shows all your stored files and folders. This step is crucial because it is the main hub where all your documents are organized. By clicking Drive, you ensure you are looking in the right place to find your documents. After you click, the Drive interface will load and you are ready to proceed. Now click inside the search bar located at the top of the Drive interface. The search bar is a powerful tool that allows you to find documents quickly. As you click inside it, you may notice that previous searches or suggestions might appear. These suggestions can help you locate documents you've accessed recently or frequently. This step is significant because utilizing the search bar helps streamline your document retrieval process. Next up, select one of the quick filter chips that appear below the search bar. You will see options like Documents, Spreadsheets, Presentations, or PDFs. Clicking one of these filters refines your search results to show only the types of files you are looking for. This is important since it narrows down your options, making it easier to find what you need. Once you select a filter, the displayed results will adjust according to your choice, making your search much more efficient. At this point, if you are still struggling to find your document, consider clicking the Advanced Search icon. This icon appears as three horizontal slider lines on the far right side of the search bar. When you click on it, a new set of options will appear, allowing for a more detailed search. This step is beneficial as it offers you various parameters to narrow down your search further, increasing your chances of locating the correct document. With that ready, you can start filling out any details you remember about the document. For instance, you can type the specific file formats you are looking for, like PDF or docx. This is a useful step because specifying formats helps eliminate irrelevant results. Once you enter a format, the search will filter down to only those documents that match your criteria. Next, filter by the owner of the document. This step is useful if you remember who created the document. Enter the owner's email or name to narrow your results to files they created. This is particularly helpful in collaborative environments where many documents may be shared. Now, let's consider another option, entering exact phrases you know are inside the document's text. By using the Has the Words option, you can significantly focus your search. This is a powerful way to find documents that contain specific phrases or keywords, helping you locate your file even faster. Continuing, you can search by location. This allows you to specify if you want to check only in the trash, starred files, or specific folders. This step can save you time, especially if you organize your files into different folders, or if you suspect the document might be in the trash. Next, you can narrow down your search based on the date modified. You can choose to filter files edited in the last 7, 30, or 90 days. This is a helpful feature if you remember when you last worked on the document. Selecting a specific time frame can significantly reduce the number of files you have to sift through. Finally, click the Search button to execute your search with all the filters you've set. This action will display a list of documents that match your criteria. Once you click Search, take a moment to review the results. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your search has been completed. By following these steps, you can efficiently find your documents in Google Drive. Happy searching!